In this video, we're tackling a common problem, fixing an error that says, Active Directory failed. Target OU is not an import OU. This error pops up if there's a mismatch in settings when you're trying to add users to Active Directory through Okta. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to solve this. Let's check Okta's Active Directory setup. Log in to Okta Admin Dashboard. Go to Directory, then to Directory Integrations. Select the Active Directory you wish to verify. Click on Provisioning and then Integration. Make sure the right OUs, organizational units, are listed under User OUs connected to Okta. Compare with group settings. Look for the group in charge of adding users. Under Directory, select Groups. Here, select the group. Click the Directories tab, then the pencil icon to edit next to the Active Directory integration. Under Default Attributes, check the organizational units. The OU selected in the provisioning group must be selected in the directory integration to ensure that the OU selected in the provisioning group matches the directory integration. Either change the OU in the provisioning group to match the integration selection or add the selected OU in the provisioning group to the directory integration. By following these steps, you should clear that error and get your user provisioning back on track. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.